Digital CPR. NASA revives a dying spacecraft. You're about to witness the most incredible rescue mission in human history, and it happened 15 billion miles away. When Voyager 1's computer started glitching in November 2023, sending back nothing but gibberish data, NASA engineers faced an impossible challenge. How do you fix a spacecraft that's so far away, it takes 22.5 hours just for your commands to reach it? This wasn't just any malfunction. The probe's flight data subsystem had corrupted, essentially giving the 47-year-old explorer digital amnesia. The NASA team at Jet Propulsion Laboratory had to become cosmic surgeons, performing what they brilliantly called digital CPR on humanity's most distant ambassador. For months, they sent carefully crafted code patches across the solar system, each attempt taking nearly 2 full days to confirm whether it worked or failed. The tension was unbearable. One wrong command could permanently kill our only functioning probe in interstellar space. But here's the jaw-dropping part. They didn't just revive Voyager 1, they actually improved it. The engineering team managed to relocate critical software functions around the damaged memory sectors, essentially performing brain surgery on a patient they couldn't even see. When the spacecraft finally came back online in April 2024, it wasn't just alive. It was healthier than it had been in years. This digital resurrection proves that human ingenuity knows no bounds. We literally brought a dying machine back to life across a distance so vast that our entire solar system would look like a grain of sand from Voyager 1's perspective.